Let's create an Amazon affiliate account together. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step that how you will be able to create an Amazon affiliate account and everything that you will need to know while creating your Amazon affiliate account. So in order to create your Amazon affiliate account, first of all, just open your Amazon account and you can log into your account if you have an Amazon account already. And in the official website of Amazon, you just have to scroll all the way down till the bottom. And here you will see all these options. So under make money with us, you will have these many options to, so Amazon basically provides you different options to make money with them. So you have to choose the one that's suitable for your need. But in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you will be able to create an affiliate account. So just click on become an affiliate here. And you will be redirected to this Amazon associate website. And if you already have an account, you just have to go ahead and sign into your account. If you don't have an account, just click on sign up. So if you already have an Amazon account, a few of the information will be already be filled here, as you can see in my feed. But if you want to select the different address and the person that you are creating the account for, you simply just have to click on select different address. And here you can select the person for which you are creating the account. For example, I'm taking this one. This is my personal information. So just click on select this account or address. And after that, you have to mention the main contact for this account. So this will be the first person who will receive the payment of the affiliate program that will be generated after you provide the link. And if you're living in the US, you have to select whether yes or no. So I'm not living in US, so I'm just selecting no. And after that, just go ahead and click on next. And on the next page, you have to provide the link of the website or social media platform where you will promote the Amazon affiliate link. So in my case, I will be promoting Amazon products on my YouTube channel. So just go ahead and search for your channel and provide the profile link of that particular channel. So this is my channel. So just copy the website or the URL of the YouTube channel that you have. And after that, just paste the link over here. And now just click on add. And here you can provide the list of the website or the social media platform, the number of platform. Like for example, if you have your Instagram ID, your website or any other platform where or Facebook or any other platform where you will promote Amazon product, you can provide the link of all those site, website and social media platform as per your need. And once you're done, just click on next. And after that, you have to mention a preferred associate store ID. So I'm just writing my name. It will depend whether this name is available or not. So you have to check. If it is available, the Amazon will show you. And if it isn't, you have to mention different one. So now just simply provide the brief description of the website that you have provided the link for and the mobile app where you will promote the products. So for example, I'm just copying the description of my channel itself and let's just paste here. And after that, just mention the type of the website that you have. So if you have a YouTube channel, you can select other also. So I'm just selecting others. And now you have to mention how did you hear about the Amazon affiliate program. So select accordingly. And after that, just mention the captcha. And just agree with the terms and condition of Amazon program. And after that, just click on finish. And there your Amazon associate account is created. Before you proceed further, I would like to let you know that there are few terms and conditions that you have to fulfill after you finish making your Amazon associate program account. So as soon as you create your account, so within 180 days, you have to make at least 3 verified purchase through your Amazon affiliate link. If you are not been able to made 3 purchases with your Amazon affiliate link, your account will be banned. The second one is to avoid using shorten links. Do not try to use shorten links because Amazon doesn't allow shorten links and it could possibly ban your Amazon affiliate account. And the third one is that do not share your Amazon product link that you will create through your Amazon affiliate account with your direct family and friends, because if Amazon find out that it is your family and friends, it can permanently ban your account. So keep these 3 things in mind. And after that, you have to enter your payment and tax information. So just click on now and just log in with your Amazon account. And here you have to mention your payment details, payment method details. So start filling in your details like your account number and your other details about your account. So I will just fill these details off camera and I will come back. And once you fill in your account details, just make sure to check and verify all the details that you have just entered. And once you are done, just click on submit and continue with text information, and there your Amazon Associate account will be created. And this is the home screen of your Amazon Associate account. So this is how your Amazon Associate account will look like. If you scroll down, you will be able to see all these earnings and overview. Right now there is no data because I've just created the account with you guys. And if you start earning in your Amazon account, you will see all the earnings and the data regarding the product that you have sold through the Amazon Associate link that you have created. So this is basically how you will be able to create your Amazon affiliate account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.